in the studio laying tracks, Transpose Records, you know what I'm saying? Pour ne cap chercher beat hip hop bon bagay, you know what I'm saying? C'est pas beat New York one. Real nigga shit. Holla at me, I'm in the studio, Transpose Record, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. Yeah. Go. Pou nek pa di se loop yo ou ka solo tout, nou ban? Yeah. Ay malen net. Transpose Record. La pa me mou veman. Yeah, man, just holla at me sou bezwen, baby. Ou konen pou kote pou jeune, man. 572, baby.